We wanted everything to come our way by this very day. We wanted stars so bright to see the lightning before it strikes. Though we passed 100,000 miles, still I stand, still I stand. Photographs of 20 months ago, I know we can, still think we can. Here I am, here I am, I will stand. So hungry my heart, bewildered my eyes, I'm tumbling down, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive. We crave the crying out, the silent screams amongst the loud. Chew through the ropes and hope that we don't choke on the words we spoke. A cunning plan to blind the world outside. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Break ourselves and taste the urge to rage and fight with fire. We fight with fire, crying out, I will shout. I'm being consumed, the thoughts have overflown, my mind overgrown, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive.